Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make a carousel on your Canva website. Okay, so the very first thing that you should do is you just have to open your Canva application. After that, you can also use your web browser to log into your account. Okay, and then after logging in, you just have to choose your website. And right here, we are going to use this website and we are going to add here a carousel. Okay, so here on the other tab, I have here my other website. So we are going to use this as our carousel to this website. Okay, so what you're going to do first here is to click on this apps option at the left side of your screen. That's right. And then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for embed. Okay, and then you have this option right here. So just simply click on it. And then we have to paste here the web link. So go back here and then I'm just going to click on share. That's right. And then click on the see all option. Click on embed. That's right. And then click on embed once again. And then we are going to use this smart embed link. So we are going to copy this link right here. Now go back to the other tab and we have to paste here the link and then click on add it to the site. Okay, so now that this link is here, we can now proceed and then resize this one. Okay, so after that, we just have to preview. And as you can see, we already have here now this website and it looks like a carousel. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.